Hello friends, welcome to Story Teach English. Today's story is about one man's transformation from a shy, quiet learner who avoided English conversations to a confident speaker who could handle meetings, talk to foreigners, and even give public speeches. If you've ever felt nervous speaking English, if you've ever worried about people judging your mistakes, the story will speak to you. So sit back, listen closely, and imagine yourself in this journey. Our main character's name is Arun. Arun lived in Pune, India. He was 27 years old, working as a mechanical engineer at a manufacturing company. Every morning, he came to the office, worked quietly at his desk, and avoided unnecessary conversations. It wasn't that he was antisocial, he just didn't feel comfortable speaking English. The office language was officially English, but in reality, most of his Indian colleagues spoke Hindi or Marathi to each other. The problem came when foreign clients visited. Arun hated those days. When clients asked questions, he smiled politely and let others answer. He was afraid he would mispronounce words or make grammatical mistakes. One afternoon, his manager, Mr. Kapoor, called him into his office. Mr. Kapoor, Arun, you're skilled and hardworking. But you need to improve your communication skills, especially English. Next year, we are planning projects with clients from Germany and the US. I want you to be ready to represent our team. Arun nodded, but inside, he felt a knot in his stomach. That evening, Arun sat on his balcony, looking at the city lights. He thought about his career dreams, leading projects, traveling abroad, earning promotions. And then he thought about the wall blocking him, English. He remembered a quote he'd seen on social media. If it scares you, it means it's important. Arun decided. This time, I won't run from it. I'll face it. Arun knew one thing, he couldn't just study English, like in school. This time, he needed real communication skills. So he created a simple plan. 1. Listen to English every day for at least 30 minutes. 2. Speak in English every day, even if it was just to himself. 3. Join a real conversation at least once a week. The next morning, he started with listening. He downloaded an English podcast about business and played it during his commute. At first, it felt like noise. The speakers talked fast, used unfamiliar words, and had different accents. But Arun kept going. For speaking, Arun chose the cheapest and simplest method, self-talk. Every morning, while getting ready for work, he looked into the mirror and spoke in English. At first, it was awkward. Hello, my name is Arun. Today I will, work. But slowly, he learned to describe his day. Today I have a meeting at 11 a.m. I need to prepare the project report. In the evening, I will go to the gym. It wasn't perfect, but it was practice. 2 weeks later, Arun saw a post on Facebook. Free English speaking club, online meeting every Saturday. His heart raced. He wanted to join, but the thought of strangers listening to his English made him sweat. Then he remembered his promise to himself. He clicked join. On Saturday, he logged into Zoom. There were people from Brazil, Vietnam, Egypt, and Russia. The host, Lisa from the UK, smiled and said, Lisa, let's start with introductions. Arun, would you like to go first? Arun took a deep breath. Arun, hello, my name is Arun. I am from India. I work as a mechanical engineer. I want to improve my English speaking and listening skills. Lisa smiled. Lisa, nice to meet you, Arun. Welcome to the group. That was it. He'd survived his first English conversation with foreigners. At first, during the club sessions, Arun understood maybe 50% of what people said. Different accents confused him. Sometimes, he couldn't catch the exact words. But instead of panicking, he focused on the main idea. He learned that understanding every single word wasn't necessary. If someone said, last weekend I visited my grandmother in the countryside. We cooked dinner together and then we watched a movie. Even if Arun didn't understand countryside, he still got the idea. This made listening less stressful. Arun stopped memorizing random word lists. Instead, He learned new words from real conversations. In one club meeting, a Brazilian member said, I binge watched a TV series last week. Arun asked what binge watch meant. When he learned it meant watching many episodes in one sitting, he smiled, he'd done that before. The next day, he told his colleague, Arun, I binge watched a cooking show last night. The word was now part of his active vocabulary. Arun couldn't move to an English speaking country, but he could create one at home. He watched English TV for 15 minutes a day without subtitles. Labeled items in his room, door, lamp, desk, with sticky notes. Spoke his daily plans in English while making breakfast. 6 months into his journey, his manager called. Mr. Kapoor, Arun, our client from Germany will visit tomorrow. Can you explain the new machine design? Arun's heart raced, but he was ready. The next day, in the meeting room, the client asked about the new features. Arun explained in clear, simple English. When he finished, the client said, Client, great explanation, Arun. That sentence felt like a medal. By the end of the year, Arun had changed. He no longer avoided conversations. He could handle phone calls with clients, join meetings confidently, and even joke in English. His formula was simple: daily listening, daily speaking, learning words in context, using them repeatedly, staying consistent, even when it was hard. If you feel like Arun once did, nervous, unsure, afraid of mistakes, remember this. Fluency is not magic. It's a skill. Start small. Listen for 10 minutes today. Speak for 5 minutes, even if only to yourself. Learn one phrase and use it. And tell yourself what Arun told himself every day. I'm not perfect, but I'm improving every day. That's the story, my friends. From silence to confidence, Arun's journey is proof that you can do it too. Now, it's your turn to take the first step. Like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos.